Vanakkam, இது Salem Sundarin T. The English Academy welcomes you wholeheartedly to silent letters in English alphabet. Well, today I'm not going to talk about silent letters. Instead, letters which have different sounds. See, Mersal Vijay is in three acts, triple action. Chapter, chemistry, and chef. Chapter, chemistry, and chef. Cha, ka, sha. Now here, the same thing I'm going to. So it has three sounds. CH has three sounds. Ich, ik, ish. 99% of the people, you know very well the sound H where it comes, but very few words I'm just going to give you example here. Arch, beach, chain, cheer, chew, chime, chop, chore, macho. Macho, chore, chop, chime, chew, cheer, chain, beach, and art. Well, now let us go to this sound. Super. ACHE. When I read this, really I like to recall a comical incident. Let me show you that.
They are coming again. They are coming again. Please save me.
மறந்தே போயிட்டீங்க. ஞாபகம் இல்ல பிள்ளைங்க நம்ம பஸ் சீட்ல உட்காந்தாங்கள ஆங்கிலம் தான் அவ்வளவா வராது ஆனா நம்ம பேசுன புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க. வாட் சார் யூ forgotten us?
How can I? How can I?
How do you do sir in the aerodrome? Sir, before you come to Madras or nowadays only?
I have come number of times.
இல்ல இல்ல இப்பதான் வராங்களாம். You like our Madras sir city Madras you like?
Of course. I like people's simplicity.
You like simplicity. Madras city you don't like. What sir? Sir, this is the Maniachi Dakshinamurthy Pillai sir. I spoke. This is the Tamil. Ingila Pandi. He is of the Ottu sir. In the airplane you saw them sir sitting they separately together. They are that. Maniachi, sir is the manufacturing of the tube. Cool drink tube, sir, manufacturing.
Yes, sir. Your company white tube only or color tube?
All colors, white also. 2 holes, only water, no air. Oh God, I have also started again.
Sir, no only you talk good English, sir. Sir, in the canteen, Payanu ate soup with your tube, sir. Your company tube ate soup. Very funny, sir. But மணியச்சிக்காரங்க சொல்லல என்ன உங்க பழையட்டுமே மணியச்சிக்காரங்க ate with a broken spoon, sir.
Broken spoon?
Spoon, sir. Broken in the middle 3 times.
Oh, 4.
No, only 3 times. The next door man laughed, sir, and we got stomachache.
Stomachache?
Stomachache, sir.
Oh, stomach ache?
No. Stomachache. English. The stomach, this is stomach, sir. Ache. Stomachache, body ache, head ache. English, sir. ACHE is the.
அவருக்கு புரியல விடுங்கண்ணே.
சரி விட்டுறோம். பைசா.
Oh, I get headache. I am sorry. Headache. I go canteen. Ask 2 coffee. 4 aspirins I put. Drink.
Put tube. That is poison.
I put poison. Drink.
இப்ப பரவாயில்ல ஒரு மாதிரி நம்ம மாதிரி பேசுறேன்.
So, hope you enjoyed. So, ACH is ache. As Mauli said, it is not HA. Ache, anarchy, anchor, archaic, archaeology, archipelago, architect, archive, bronchitis, chameleon, chaos, character, charisma, charismatic, chasm, choir, choral, chord, choreography, chronic, epoch, hierarchy, matriarch, monarchy, oligarch, archit, patriarch, psychiatrist, psycho, schedule. Sorry, இது scheduler இங்க schedule. Okay, அப்புறம் வேற எங்க சார் பார்ப்போம், don't worry. So again let us go. Schedule, psycho, psychiatrist, patriarch, archit, oligarch, monarchy, matriarch, hierarchy, epoch, chronic, choreography, chord, choral, choir, chasm, charismatic, charisma, character, chaos, chameleon, bronchitis, archive, architect, archipelago, archaeology, archaic, anchor, anarchy, and ache. Fine. Now the next sound, most of you really miss on this. You can just concentrate. This all the cluster of C and H here gives a sound as ish, avalanche, brochure. What is it? Brochure, cache, cache, chagrin, champagne, chandelier, charade, charlatan, chaffier, chauvinism, chef, chic, chiffon, chivalry, shoot, cliche, crochet, machine, mustache, mustache, parachute, sachet, schedule, schedule. So what I mean here, schedule has two pronunciations. One is schedule and other one is schedule. Both are acceptable. So schedule, sachet, parachute, mustache. See, மீசன் சொல்றோம், நிறைய பேர் mustache mustache சொல்றாங்க. It is wrong. Mustache, mustache. Machine, crochet, crochet, the last letter T is silent. Cliche, shoot, chivalry, chiffon, chic, chef, chauvinism, chaffair, charlatan, charade, chandelier, champagne, chagrin, cache, brochure, avalanche. So these are the sounds. Hope you might have understood. Now it's time to thank you. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.